Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. First things first, this is Dan.
Hello.
Very good friend of mine, known him since the start of secondary school, and we are in Val d'Isere in France. We got here yesterday, and we have just we left the hotel this morning at 9, and we've literally, it is now just nearly 12 o'clock, and we've just picked up our skis. The queue was long. We sort them out. Yeah, we're here for two reasons. We're here for a skiing holiday, to ski. We love skiing, who doesn't? But also we're here to see our friend John. Now, Dan's known John since, again, the start of secondary school. I've known John since the start of preschool, so about 18, 19 years, a long time, and he's a very good friend of both of ours. And we're out here to see him. He's doing a ski season for 6 months, and he's doing an airport transfer driver job thing, but he's out here living for 6 months, and we come to see him. But the best part about it is he has no idea. He has no idea that we're here at the moment. We got here last night, and we're going to plan on seeing him, I think tomorrow, because he's working today. But yeah, he's blissfully unaware that we are about 5 miles from him at the moment, which is good. So we've just picked everything up. We're going to go to the baby runs, just get ourselves back into it. It's been a couple of years since I skied, and it's been, did we say 8? A long while since Dan skied. So so yeah, we're gonna go and get back into the swing of things today for what's left of it after that god awful experience with the queue. It was just so long. It was so long. But yeah, we're gonna go to the slopes now, and try not to fall over too much. No, you're going first, mate. After 8 years out of the game. To be fair, we've started on the smallest run in Val d'Isere.
Yeah, don't say that, because then when I stack it, it looks even more embarrassing.
Alright, when he stacks it, it'll be really embarrassing, or when I stack it, it'll be really embarrassing, because this is the children's run. There's literally children on this run. Let me show you. Yeah, it's not very steep. There's a lot of baby runs. But yeah, just something to get us back into it, I think. You ready, Dan? Oh, clearly. See you, mate. Doing alright, he's doing alright. Oh, he nearly went. I haven't skied in so long. It seems that anyway, shit. I need to switch to the GoPro. First time back, I can't hold the camera and ski at the moment, so I'm going to switch to this bad boy. All right. Look at that. First time in. That was good. Hey, you did well, man. That was good. Oh, doggo. Oh, dog. Oh. Taking himself for a walk. Right. Lead the way, sir. Steeper this bit. See you later. Right, we've left the baby runs now. We're done with that. We're trying to do some real skiing now. We just want to get back into it, and I think we've done that pretty well. Dan's smashing it for how long he's not skied for, so fair play. John still has absolutely no idea we're here, and that's why we're just skiing on our own, because it took us so long to get all the skis sorted this morning. So we're doing that now and just getting back into the swing of things, and then tomorrow morning, because my inside contact, John's mum, as it's otherwise known, she said that he's not working tomorrow, so we hopefully can find him in the morning, but at the moment he has no idea, and I love it. It's going to be good. We're buzzing for that, but yeah, for now I'll leave you because we need to do that, and I need to switch back to the GoPro. So, ready?
Maybe I'm ready to go.
Yeah, of course he is. Right, let's go. See you in a bit. Oh, that's disappointing. I thought it was deeper than that. Right, what's up, guys? We're at the top of I think it's Glacier, one of the Glacier. See it there. We're at the top of one of the slightly more advanced runs in Val d'Isere now. We're at the top of Glacier. It's the first blue run of the day, so first blue run of the trip. I can't say I'm filled with the most confidence doing this. I've done it before, but not in a long time, so we'll see. Oh, that was so good. Not as bad as I thought. Nowhere near as bad as I thought. Here comes Dan. I thought I lost that. I don't know if did he crash? He's got his arms up. Did you stack it?
Absolutely fucking crashed.
Oh, what the hell? I thought, where the hell has he gone? Right.
There was like a bump and I hit it and it just
no.
destroyed me.
I'll include that clip now.
That's the first one. Put some jackets on.
Oh yeah.
Jacket buddies.
Hey friends. Oh. Nice. Really good first day. Really good first day. Tomorrow's plan firstly is to try and because we've been told again he's got a day off tomorrow, so little does he know tomorrow's plan is to go and see John. So and then hopefully we'll be skiing in teams, but yeah, I'm happy with today. I'm happy with the progress today. So good. I can't wait to see that. I can't wait to see that footage of you stacking it. Right, guys, we're gonna head back down. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, everybody. Just got back to the room. Obviously, as you can see. What a day! That was so good. It was so good. Getting back into skiing is just amazing. It's really good. Absolutely smashed that blue run. Not to say if we do it again I won't fall over, but I ended up doing it unscathed. Dan the Plonk has left his shoes at the, at the ski rental place where we had to go from where I started the vlog this morning after we picked up the skis. He left his shoes there. He's off there now to go and get them, hopefully, if they're still there. I'm chilling out for a bit because we're both shattered. Really feeling it now. My legs are killing me. But yeah, we've had a smashing day. It's been so good. Good morning, guys. It's day 2. It's the day of reckoning. It's the day that we came here for. We're going to ski over to Teens this morning and surprise John, which I am so excited for. You all set?
Yeah, we're down.
Good. Right, John, we're coming for you, mate.
I see marvels, I see titans, and some troubles that everybody has to face, that no one really can erase, and they hide away from it.
Right guys, we made it to the top of, what's it called? We made it to the top of one of the lifts.
Yeah.
Basically, that is Teens. So excited. So he has no idea we're coming. He's round the corner. He's just round the corner. We're gonna go and see him now. Okay, he has no idea. Let's go. I don't know if you guys know a Jonathan Atkinson.
What are you doing here?
How you doing, mate? You alright?
Yeah.
We've come to see you.
When did you get here?
Saturday night.
Sound.
Yeah.
Where are you staying?
Val.
Decent.
Yeah, we come to see you.
Oh, sound.
Oh, I'm so happy we found you now. Oh,
That's awesome.
yeah, we come for a week.
Sick. That's amazing.
You're on video, by the way.
Who's up? Shoot it.
Yeah, just us two.
Yeah?
I've been round your family house speaking to your mum, and she gave me a list of where you're staying, La Canteen address.
Oh,
Like, yeah, it's been we only actually booked it about a week and a half ago.
I was
but,
good to know that now.
yeah, but we have had it in the books for about 2 months.
That's amazing, mate. Should we go skiing?
Well, yeah, let's do it. Can we do a green or a blue first, please?
Yeah.
Let's just grab. I'll just grab a ski.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool. Oh, that was wicked. That was so good. Right, we're going to go ski with John now. Well, he's bloody well good, so we're going to be putting our paces big time. But yeah, we can tell everybody now. We can tell them. We can post stuff on Instagram without worrying. So, right, guys, let's go.
Everything must end.
Here he comes. Yeah, look at that glide. Sexy shit. Fucking hell, that was steep.
Dan's proper feeling it now. We've just come back from a wicked day. I know it's only the second day in, but that was the best day of the trip so far. We started off surprising John, then John was like our personal tour guide. He just took us around like the best runs that are sort of pushed us a little bit, a nice amount. I think it was good. Not too much, no red, thank God. We stopped off now. Can you really? I don't know if you can see that. All of that apparently is it's a lake. You can't really see it because it's all frozen over, but we stopped near the #teen sign. We'll stop off for some food because John's got to go in a bit. But yeah, the surprise, the main part, the reason we came here is done and success. It was a success. So Dan's the
Sandwiches are a bit nice.
Wait, I got to show. Dan's sandwiches are just like squished. They don't look like being ran over.
Yeah, they have when I fell on.
Oh right, well. I had some Orangina that just totally froze. It was just ice. Oh, but we stopped off now for some food before John's got to go and do some work.
Hard life,
isn't it? Yeah. I will end this video now because we're nearly done for the day, and the reason we came, Mr. Jonathan Atkinson, he knows now. He knows we're here. The secret's out. So no, it's really good. Glad we did it in the way we did, and yeah, it's been really good. So yeah, I'll end this video here. I'll see you in the next video, whenever that is. But from all of us at Teens, thank you for watching. Right, let's get some food. I'm starving.